Dismount all high pressure pipes, drain pipes, etc. Land the cylinder cover tightening tool on the cylinder cover. Lift the spacer rings off the holders and mount them around the cylinder cover nuts. Pull down the hydraulic tools, which are suspended from the spring balancers, and screw them onto the cylinder cover studs. Screw the hydraulic tool back half a turn. See also Volume 2, Chapter 913. Remove the protective plastic caps from the hydraulic couplings and connect the hydraulic hoses. Start the hydraulic high pressure pump and vent the system at the distributor blocks and hydraulic tools. When oil without air bubbles flows from the vent screws, tighten the screws. Raise the pressure slowly until the nuts can be loosened with a tummy bar. Relieve the system of pressure. Disconnect the high pressure hoses, mount protective plastic caps and place the hoses in the holders. Unscrew the hydraulic tools and, using the spring balancers, return them to their upper position. Return the spacer rings to the holders. Unscrew the nuts. Take the crane hook off the tightening tool. Fit the crane hook onto the lifting eye bolt and lift off the cylinder cover and tool. Land the cylinder cover on a couple of wooden planks. Mount a new sealing ring on top of the cylinder liner and bend the 3 tabs on the sealing ring with a lead hammer. Mount new sealing rings on the cooling water connections and lubricate with grease or soft soap. Clean the cylinder cover and lubricate with grease or soft soap. Land the cylinder cover, making sure that the cooling water connecting pipes catch the holes in the cooling jacket correctly. Remove the crane hook. Tighten the nuts with a tommy bar. Place the spacer ring in such a position that the tommy bar for tightening the nut can be applied through the slot. Press the piston and cylinder of the jack firmly together. Start the hydraulic high pressure pump and vent the system at the distributor blocks and hydraulic tools. When oil without air bubbles flows from the vent screws, tighten the screws. Raise the pressure to 900 bar and tighten the nuts with the tommy bar. Maintain the pressure and check with a feeler gauge that the nuts bear against the contact face. Relieve the system of pressure and disconnect the high pressure hoses. Lift away the cylinder cover tightening tool and mount all high pressure pipes, drum pipes, etc.